You don't have to buy the most expensive name brand stuff. You could just get long sleeve 100% cotton shirts. You could even wear beanies that are 100% cotton, relatively things that you have in your house already. They have aprons, and then they have bundles on Amazon or like Harbor Freight and stuff like that. So yeah, it's not relatively expensive, and you obviously need a welding hood.
You don't have your hood, you can't work, and you're gonna have sparks in your face. You're also gonna blind yourself. You're gonna get floaters in your eyes. You're gonna do severe damage because of the intensity of that light. It literally destroys the rods and the cones in the back of your eyes.